Welcome back everyone, my name is Olivia and today I'll be talking to you about our Lifetune Zone Max. This is our largest product. It's also the largest area protection product. So if you bought this and don't know what to do with it or how to use it, definitely keep watching. Also, just a reminder, we did make some more videos on each of our products on how to use these. The Lifetune Zone Max is really easy to use and you can stick it on any surface using these Velcro strips that come inside the box underneath the flap. They come in a little package and you just stick them to the back of the product and place it on a wall or a tabletop. So where do we put this? You can place this in any large living space in your home, whether that's your bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen. And a lot of our homes and apartments actually have connecting living rooms and kitchens. So this creates that ultimate protection around you and your family when you are all hanging out in that same space. You can use the Velcro and stick it on a wall, or you can leave it off and just place it on a flat surface like the coffee table, the console, or your countertops. That is all I have today about the Lifetune Zone Max, but if you used it in a different way that we didn't cover in this video, definitely leave a comment down below. And just a reminder, if you haven't watched any of our other videos on how to use our other Lifetune products, definitely go check those out. Have a good one.